Hey traders, it's Danielle. Today I'm going to be talking about PL. This is a setup that came up on my earnings hot zone. As you can see with the stats up here, during the 21-day time frame before earnings, this ticker's up about 10% on average, and as of today, it did enter the hot zone. When you're looking at the earnings date, it's not confirmed yet, but it looks like it's going to be the first week of June, so definitely still have some time on this one. Um, and it also has a squeeze. It also has a pullback buy into the 34 EMA, and it has a pretty clean price target at 45 and then up at 50. So I did go ahead and get into this one in the trading room using some long calls. The other reason why I really like this one is because it has multiple breakaway gaps. Anytime a ticker has these breakaway gaps like that, it's just a really bullish sign, because what that means is that it's gapping up over earnings, and instead of it just falling back to where it came from, buyers are still coming in. So that is really bullish. Last quarter, admittedly, it did come back to where it came from, but we had a couple other breakaway gaps in here. So I would say this one looks really good. It also has short float of almost 15%, so it qualifies for short squeeze as well. So I did go ahead and buy the long calls in the master in the trade room in the June earnings series, and honestly, I feel like I should add some more. I bought them last week, and I didn't add more just because it was up another 4% today, but I feel like I could probably add some more here. So if you want to join us in the master in the trade room, where we'll be going over these live, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hey traders, thanks for watching this video. If you want to make sure that you get all of our free trading content, make sure you hit subscribe, and also give us a like and comment down below. If you want to learn more about us, and if you want to join us for live trading in real markets with real money, make sure you go to simplertrading.com, where you can join us for more info. Thank you very much and have a great day.